Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
I'm Nicolas Coster. I am a business lawyer, French business lawyer. I have been in China for 16 years. I'm specialized in foreign direct investment. So basically, I set up companies in China and I also sometimes liquidate them.
What is the procedure for bankruptcy in China?
The procedure for bankruptcy, you need to apply to the tribunal to file a lawsuit. So the company can do it by itself. It could be one employee of the company if they didn't get paid, or it could be creditors from the company. Okay, so any third party to which the company owns some money is able to go to the court and to apply for bankruptcy. In this case, you go to the court, you have to prove that the company is in the bad shape, or the company owes you money and is not able to pay the money, and the judge, therefore, will accept the case and may appoint what we call a bankruptcy liquidator to recover the debt and to recover the debt and to pay any money they have to pay with the assets of the company.
Are there any differences between bankruptcy for joint venture and WFOE?
From the processing point of view, there is no difference. Okay, this is just for from the decision for bankruptcy. No, there is no decision of the investor, so no, there is no difference.
How long does the bankruptcy procedure process last?
Or it could be a long process. Let's say if you go to a big city like Shanghai, Beijing, you can close the bankruptcy within 6 months to 12 months. But if you go like Wulmuchi, I got a case, it was like 5 years. You know.
What are the risks for limited company in a bankruptcy process?
For a limited company, the risk for the investor depends if they pay or they didn't pay the registered capital. If they can prove they pay the registered capital, normally the judge or the creditor cannot go over the registered capital, so the investor has nothing else to pay. If they didn't pay the registered capital, they will have to cover the gap between what they pay, what they contribute, and what is outstanding.
What happens to employees when a company gets bankrupt?
The companies will terminate their labor contract very quick. And of course, when you go bankrupt, for the asset of the company, the priority rights will go to the tax office and to the employees.
What happens to investable assets such as trademarks when a company is going bankrupt? Can someone register them right after the bankruptcy?
Now, for the intangible asset, the liquidator will sell them and probably they will organize an auction and third party will be able to buy it.
Can the legal representative be considered responsible in a case of bankruptcy?
No, in most of the cases, the legal representative will not be responsible and will not have to pay money from his pocket. But sometimes, if there is any doubt from the tax office can ask the legal rep to stay in China, and the legal rep will not be able to travel outside China. So it really depends on each cases. But there is a risk for the legal rep to stay in China until the bankruptcy proceeding is closed definitely, which could be some months.
Is there a blacklist of the legal representative of bankrupt companies?
No, there is no blacklist like that, but the investor will be blacklisted, and sometimes the judge can decide that because the legal rep did something wrong, that the legal rep will not be able to have another job as a legal rep in another company. But it's very rare from my experience.
You said there is a blacklist of investors. If the investor is a company itself, is the company itself blacklisted, or rather, are the people responsible for the company blacklisted?
The company itself, the company of the investors, that means if they want to apply to open another company, it's possible that the Ministry for the Market Supervision will not accept the application to set up a new company.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.